Hello guys, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm going to show you 4 tapping bots that are going to pave way in this month. So join me as I dive into finding the best tapping bot for passive income in 2024 and see if they're all going to work for me. And I can assure you, if you follow these tapping bots, if you are consistent on it, you can make nothing less than $500 this month, and all for free. So in case you don't know what tapping bots are all in the all rage in 2024, and they are promising a life of effortless passive income. And get it, who wouldn't want to sit back, relax, and let the money roll in? But what really sparked my interest in tapping bots is their rising popularity. More and more people are looking for ways to earn money or make money without putting in long hours, and tapping bot has seems to be the answer to all these struggles for these years. And from fake reviews to exaggerating claims, it has been navigating like a minefield. You've got to be careful in order not to fall for some scam tapping bots. That's why I want to make this video for you guys today, because I've seen people spend hours upon researching, trying to find the perfect tapping bot, only to end up with something that doesn't work, or they give them dust, or they get nothing from it. And it's not just about the financial loss from the airdrop. It's all about the time and energy you have invested, and this project later failed you, like what Pixelface did. So the bots I'm going to give you are my own advice, but these are the ones I recommend for you to do. And after doing all this and they don't pay you, it seems exhausting. It's exhausting, and exactly why so many people give up on their passive income dreams. As you can see, many people left airdrop, and dogs only came 5 weeks, and I received 68,550 dogs on my Binance, and on my Tonkeeper I received 50 more than 52,000 dogs, and which worth almost 11 ton, if I'm not mistaken, as at the time I sold. So I'm going to show the proofs in this video. So in 2024, there are some amazing tapping bots available, each with their own unique feature and benefits. So as you can see, I received 52,000 dogs on my Tonkeeper and 68,000 dogs on my Binance account. So this is when I sent out the ton. So in case you don't believe, that's the proof. So I always deal with proof in this video. So I'm going to show you the best tapping bots, not even tapping bots, but you can use in 2024 to make passive income for yourself. So the first one on my list is Tomarket. In case you don't know what Tomarket is, this is a website, a bot on Telegram, where you just have to do some simple tasks and log in daily for some rewards. So as you can see, if you go to their Telegram channel, you can see that they have snapshot on 2nd of this month. They have snapshot on the 2nd of this month, and this or that's tomorrow. So maybe you may be late for this, but those of you that have it, if you find it difficult to open it, this is what you should do. So to open it, just click on Tomarket, but make sure your Telegram is up to date. Click on the Tomarket logo, and you will see where it says open app. So you just click on this open app, and boom, the Tomarket is going to open. And I'm going to show you how to claim your daily rewards. So as you open, you have to click on this start farming, and in case you didn't see your daily reward, you can go to tax section and complete some few tasks. But as I said, these people are also giving times 5. They started it some days ago, and you can hop in early, also start. Also, there are also some things apart from farming on this project. There are also some combo which you can also find on some YouTube videos. So this will bring me to the second bot on our list. So the second bot on our list is Major. So this is Major Stars. I'm going to open it. They are promising to give us, or they give us some stars for completing simple tasks. So this is how the website look like. So you have to join their channel before you continue. So Major pay you some stars, and they are at the peak of launching. So if you hop in early, you can also get some cool cash for yourself. And also you have to be active to claim these rewards every day. So on the end section, you can go there and find tasks that can help you boost yourself. So even though you don't find what to do, you can you can share on your stories and get 10,000, even if that is the only thing you do every day. So 10,000 for 10 days, that is 100,000 stars. So that will bring me to the next one, and this one is best of one of the best I love doing. It's one of the best I love doing, and it is called the X Empire. And here you are the boss in an empire, so you have to upgrade your empires, upgrade your level, and that's it. You just keep tapping on this guy, and if that isn't enough for you, the quest is there. You go and claim daily rewards, claim your daily rewards, can watch YouTube videos, tap to earn, and also improve skill. So these are simple things you can do on this board to earn some money for yourself. So you don't have to give up. So you just have to keep tapping. So if you watch keenly to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the secret one that you can hop in early, and the coin is already listed, so you can withdraw your money. So just keep watching at the screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's jump into the last one. This isn't the last one, but I'm going to show you something really quick. These people have released final dates for their launching, and as you can see here, they said that the clicker season starts the season 2 starts September 28th, airdrop winner announcement September 29th, and airdrop starts September 30th. That's why I say if you're active on this project, you can get nothing less than $500 this month, because these are just 4 balls and they're all launching in this month. So you all have to be active. Also make sure that you claim and check in daily. Also set some timer so that you won't forget them. So this I'm going to show you how to work on this, but I'm not going to waste too much time, so that I'll go to the last and not the least. So the last one we is the best, and this coin is already listed. You just have they have a ratio of sharing, and after tapping, this coin will be swapped into the real coin. So I'm not going to mention the name yet, but you will see it later at the end of this video. So just keep watching the video and let's see how it goes. So this is how this one is. Just have to tap on this guy, and this guy are planning on listing at they're planning to list at $1, and maybe we can get something. Also come to the tax section and complete this tax. Also, they have also opened the Connect wallet. As I said before, I told you they are launching on 28th of this month, so just have to open that site, connect it to your Phantom wallet, because it's going to launch under the Solana blockchain, and you are going to start making some money for yourself. So that is all for that one. We'll go into the last and not the least, which is the best of all. So let me introduce to you ASTAP. In case you don't know ASTAP is Afric GM Arbitrage, which is a pioneering digital currency trading platform with a distinctive vision. So this is it about this platform. You can go ahead and read about it. And before we go on, I will show you, other not to waste your time on some of these, you have to install something called AutoClicker. So after setting the auto clicker, you have to come, and all the link I mentioned is going to be in the description of this video. So you have to click on play, and this one takes a lot, not a lot of time, but it takes time to mine. So you have to increase this limit on your auto clicker, increase it to something like, decrease it to 50, so that the speed is going to be fast. And I'm sure you must have known that by now. So I have to on it. So this is AS. I'm going to show you. You can also check on your own. It's already listed on some exchange. They'll have some utilities. This AS tab has an Apple store, has a trading website, has also an exchange, but the exchange is still in the beta stage. So I'm going to inform you guys when all is going to be done. So I'm going to show you more about this project, this AS tab, and I can show you this project can make you more than $1,500 this year, this month alone. And this is how you do it. So this takes much time to mine. That's why I say to make you more than $1,500 this month, and is going to be profitable on your side. So once you tap, you have to click on the claim and click on keep tapping. So you click on boost to increase your multi-tap, energy limit, and recharging speed. But make sure that for each multi-tap and energy limit you increase, you have to increase the recharging speed once. Also, they have some tags, but the tags are coming soon, so you have to wait for it. You can also refer some friends and earn some rewards for yourself. So this is tap, so you have to do it, and as you can see, these people have 105,150 players in total, and this is one of the best projects I will bet you can never miss, so that you won't regret missing this project. Don't say didn't tell you, but if you want me to show you the secret on how I earned I'm earning up to 100,000 on AS coin daily, just tell me that you want a secret, or you want me to make a special video on it. And in summary, finding the right tapping bot is crucial to succeeding in passive income generation. With so many options available, it's essential to do your research and choose a bot that fits your need. And if you are just starting, I recommend you give this AS tap a try. And thank you for watching. I would love to hear about your experiences with tapping bot in the comment below. Have you ever had any success or failures? Share your story and let's help each other out. And if you are new here, consider subscribing for more passive income tips and tricks. I'll